Subscribe to KITOONS and let the never-ending fun begin!
Cry babies, magic tunes. The world of friendship and magic adventures. Cry babies.
Storyland! Piggy and the Strong Wind. And with this, it's done. Huh? Yay! Ouch! Something's going on in Storyland. Wow, how cool! Once upon a time, there was a builder baby who wanted to stop the strong wind, but all by himself, he was bound to fail. Ouch! Hi, I'm Dreamy. What's going on? It's coming! The strong wind! The shelter! Okay, calm down. I'm Piggy. The strong wind is about to arrive. Every year, my two brothers and I build a shelter in order to protect the statue. But they have a cold. And I have to do it by myself.
And what happens if you don't finish it?
That the wind will take away the most valuable thing of our world. It'd be a disaster. And I'm trying, but it's just that by myself. Poor Piggy, and you hurt your arm from carrying so much. You're not alone. Professionals, we've grown. We'll stop the wind. Sure thing. Oh, you also have a cold. Together, we'll build it in a flash. We'll build the shelter. Let's go. We'll need cement, gravel, sand, and bricks. Yeah, bricks! Yeah! Little by little, like my brothers say. Brick by brick, we build a castle so quick. Let's go, babies. A little more that way, more here.
Oh no, watch out, Dottie.
Time stands still. Oof. Let it continue.
Huh? Where's my brick?
This team is very slow. At this pace, the wind will blow. If only they weren't so heavy. And if the cement wasn't so sticky. And if there weren't shovels.
I got it. What if we build it out of straw?
But yeah.
See? We'll do it faster this way.
But faster doesn't mean... It'll hold up. You were right. The straw wasn't that... Ice! It's easier to carry. And cooler. We'll build an igloo for the statue. We need more ice.
Yes! A lot of ice!
Yeah! But... And the rest of the block? They melted with the sun. I know, it's not easy. But we need to do it right. Otherwise, the strong wind will blow the statue away. And the effort will be useless.
Piggy, we'll listen to everything you say.
Yes, let's go! We'll get it this time!
This is the song of the strong wind, and we came together to work and sing, because our world is a special place, and we have to protect this beautiful space. With hard work and determination, this will be our best creation, and we will fix this situation. When you give a helping hand and work together as a team, there is nothing that you can't achieve.
Teamwork is better.
When you give a helping hand and work together as a team, there is nothing that you can't achieve.
There it is! The strong wind! The shelter still stands. Yeah, but one more thing. Now, how are we getting out of here? We forgot the door. Yeah, rushing is no good.
We have to come up with something to get out.
Well, I don't have the shovel now. See? If the blocks were out of ice.
That's it! Ice cream!
A delicious shelter. You were right. What's important is that we made a big effort, and at the end, it all turned out well.
So many bricks of ice cream. Oh, what a scheme. It seems like a dream.
Storyland Magic Tears! And that's how Piggy, with effort and determination, so brave took on strong wind, from which the world he did save. For this tale will live on, and the wind will behave.
Cry babies, magic tunes. The world of friendship and magic adventures. Cry babies.
Storyland! Storyland, the world of story. Part 1. Perfume and ready. Wow, cutie, you shine like a star. Whose turn is it now? Rim. Let's see, something special. Not this, not that, not this. Huh? Wow, beautiful. You look wonderful, Lulu. Let me have it. Yeah, it's a beautiful cape. Whose might it be? I think it belongs to a granny. No way. Huh? It's from a flying wolf. Super wolf! Yeah, right, super wolf. Don't you remember? It's from a tale. The giant baby doll's handkerchief. Let me try it. Tell us. A rabbit. Do you see it? No, let me have it. I want to see it. Me too. I'm next. Well, I see the shadow of a baby with a super cool hat. It's not a baby. It's a gorgeous house. It's my turn. Now I see, is that Super Wolf? Why is it wearing a granny's nightgown? It looks like this cape belongs to a baby. Well, we have to find out whose it is. And whose could it be? Tina! If you don't wait for your turn to speak, I'll be clueless for a week. We found this cape in my trunk, but, we don't know who it belongs to. It's magical. Try it. Wow. What a cool magical cape. From my crystal ball, it won't escape. It's a duck or a swan. Sharp in the eye, it's a rainbow I look upon. Maybe the baby lives there. Let's go. Wow! I love Rainbow Lake. But it looks like no one lives there. And there's no duck, nor a swan, not even a rainbow. We must look for the baby in the lake, and then we'll understand the mystery of the cape. In the lake, but inside or outside? Low or high, it's a baby, not a fly.
Okay, you have no idea. We'll look in pairs. Connie, you come with me.
And I'll be with Dottie. I can't with you. Shh, I heard something. There's someone over there. We got you, baby! 5 more minutes. She doesn't change. But it was another sound. I don't know.
Come on, babies.
Where are you going? That way.
Where?
Wow!
Who are you?
I'm Sydney, guard and protector of the rainbow and all of its stories. But, what are you all doing here? It's just that I found this cool cape, but we still don't know whose it is. We just want to return it to the baby. It's very special. It gives us visions. Familiar, weird, incredible? That's it, yeah! They're things from a wonderful land. I think I can help you. Would you give it to me? This cape is not a regular cape. You'll see.
Careful! Hold on! I've lost control! That was close.
Yes. Oof. But that book? Don't trip or lose your shoe. Bring down the book for me to view. Ooh! Wow! That book will take you to the owner of the red cape. Besides that, she misses it very much. Now you must continue the journey on your own. Wow! Many, many years ago, all the babies from the tail and the valley used to live in peace. But the babies from the valley stopped reading, and little by little, they began to forget their favorite characters and their tales until they almost disappeared. Oh, no! That's why the book's pages are blank, right? Like Sydney. But now you can solve this because every day you'll live a tale, and with the story, a new book will prevail. Whoa! land. Look, over there. It's like the book from the lake. Will the Cape Baby live here?
Where will those roads lead?
Look carefully at the sign and you'll know where to go. Every road is a tale that you'll be able to live.
Cry babies, magic tunes. The world of friendship and magic adventures. Cry babies.
Storyland! Yeah, it's a beautiful cape. Whose might it be? Wow! A white swan! Every day you'll live a tale, and with the story, a new book will prevail.
Storyland, the world of stories. Part 2.
Where are we? Will the red-caped baby be here? Huh? Who's the baby? Hi. Oh, are you new here? Ouch! Ouch! I'm missing something here. A red-caped baby. Who are you? You're a basket. My red cape! The baby we were looking for! I made one with pieces of fabric, but it's not the same. The red one is unique. It's made out of some fabrics that can only be found once every 1,000 years. Oh, Thanks. Oh, I'm Scarlett. Storyland's famous designer. Scarlett. Does she sound familiar to you? Not me. Are we in a tale? I cannot tell. But where do you come from? I'm famous. I only have one client now because I get distracted and deliver the orders late. But I have designed some cool clothing. Look, and my basket? Oh no, I've lost it. I must go. I have to make new clothing and deliver it before the 3rd bell rings, or I'll lose my only client. Where did I leave it? Wait, it flew away that way. Oh no. Aha, wait. Not here. Not here. Where did the basket fall? The basket you will not find. But together, let's use our mind. Goodness, I'm exhausted. But no way. There's no time left and no material to design the clothing. I'll lose my only client. No worries. You have us and a cape made out of pieces of material. We'll transform it into beautiful clothing. Really? You're the best. Follow me. Did you hear that? And this is how we do it. I want to help. What can I do? I know how to do this. Wow. How do you do it? You fly. I have a friend called Peter who knows how to do it too. My wolf loves it. What? Is there a wolf? Yes, her name is Kara. She likes to eat a lot. Such a beast. Wolf will be, and into your arms will flee. Into my arms? She will eat me! Hey, the scraps! But where are you going? Such an excuse for not sewing. What a cool game! Scarlett, don't get distracted or we'll never finish on time. The bells! Okay. Let's see. First, we draw the patterns. Then, we place the scraps over them. And last to sew. Wolf! Look, it's there. We made it already. Yeah, great! Ow! Huh? Yeah! The wolf! Aw, you're a cute little wolf. Kara, you found it in time. Piggy will have 2 outfits. I'm here. Let me see it. Oh, wow, it's perfect. The cape. I remember now. It's the cape from Scarlett's fairy tale, Little Red Riding Hood. Oh, it's true. It's real. Thanks a million, Scarlett. You'll see me wearing it soon. And there are 2. I love that. We got it. Yes. The party went on too late. Look how she sleeps. I feel sorry to wake her up. What if we leave a farewell note? Yes. Oh, babies, wait.
You can't leave. I've designed something special for you.
Wow!
They're beautiful!
Thanks! How cool!
It's just that you've inspired me very much. I just needed a bit of direction. I made these outfits for when you come back to Storyland to live more adventures. You're the best.
Thanks, Scarlet!
Storyland
Magic Tears!
And this is how Scarlet, with focus and inspiration in mind, designed and delivered clothes one of a kind.
Wow!
Where do you come from?
Wow, what beautiful clothing! I think we'll live many adventures with these outfits.
Cry babies, magic tears. The world of friendship and magic adventures. Cry babies.
Agatha, a witch in trouble. You're the best pet in the world.
Dreamy.
Wow, what a nice costume. Thank you. It is ideal for the most mysterious night of the year, the night of the baby-eating witches. Witches? But they don't exist. It's just a celebration. A celebration with very evil witches that turn babies into mice and eat them. Hey, it was just a joke. Come back.
Hey, Dreamy, are you ready for Halloween?
For sure I am.
Cry babies, magic tears. No, Nana, stop! Speed, straight ahead!
Cry babies, magic. Ow! Oops, sorry.
Oh, my head. What? Is this the first time you see a talking cat?
Oof. It was you, Stormy.
Okay, let's keep on with the training.
Okay, let's move on. But why doesn't it fly? It's the broom. It lost its powers. I'm the worst witch in the world.
Maybe it's because a non-magical baby has seen us. And this is totally forbidden by the witch manual.
I know. Maybe the enchantment has stopped working.
And why don't you try the new spell on the broom? It's not difficult.
That's it. But which one? This one is to become a giant, no. Turning into a frog, no. This one, fly up high. All that I need can be found in the forest. An ant teardrop, centipede shoes.
Ah, a dog! What's wrong, Spot?
Huh?
Wow, what a cool witch costume.
Looks like being around non-magical babies does not affect my powers. Sure, it's a costume. I'm Agatha, just a normal baby, you know.
I'm Dottie. What are you doing?
Just normal baby stuff. Nothing magical.
Ah, it's a recipe. What is it?
A cake. I'm just missing some things. Can you help me?
Of course. How fun.
Come on, everything is absolutely normal. Ouch! Ha! What is this? If it is a joke, it isn't funny. Yes, monstrously delicious. Huh? Wait a minute. This broom is not my broom. Ow!
Oops, sorry.
Ah! It's from a real witch. Look, it's magic from a witch. It was flying and the cat talks.
Witches don't exist.
How come? You'll see.
Cuckoo.
Look, here.
Great.
Ah!
Oh, no.
Hey, look, it must be the witch. Yeah, whatever. Come on, I'll show you. She wants to put Dottie in her cauldron and eat her. We must help her.
Come on, witches don't exist.
See for yourself.
The cauldron is so warm that it'd be nice to take a bath. Don't you think, Dottie?
Witches do exist.
I told you. We have to save Dottie. If we run all at the same time, maybe she'll get scared. You won't eat Dottie!
Huh? Wait, we witches don't eat babies.
So, witches are not evil then?
Please help us.
Everything's my fault. I'm the worst witch in the world.
Well, maybe not the worst one.
A talking cat! Ah!
You're just learning. I'm sure the spellbook has the answer. Trust yourself.
I know. Here it is. The spell to undo it.
That's it.
Wizard of Time, open the door and let everything be like before. I made it! Yes! Yes!
What a day.
Well, it turns out Connie was right. Witches do exist, and they're good.
Although I'm still learning.
Nonsense. You can move objects with a finger snap
And cast reversible spells.
and fly with a broom.
But today's most magical thing was finding new friends. Thank you for trusting me.
Magic tears.
There I go.
Wow! This really was a witch's night.
Cry babies, magic tears. The world of friendship and magic adventures. Cry babies.
Storyland! Martin and the Mystery of the Crazy Boots.
Good morning, Scarlet.
Good morning, Martin.
Huh? A sock. This must be yours, my lady.
Indeed. Thank you, Martin.
My pleasure. I'm the best helping my friends. Don't you think, Mouse? Don't worry, Bowie. Wait. Yes. You're welcome. Oh no, the ladder is shaking. I'm coming. Ha. Huh? Thank you, Martin. My pleasure. I am the best sheriff. What a lovely day, Mouse. I love helping my friends, but it's so exhausting. Now to eat. Time to recharge. Okay, Mouse, for you too. I love cheese. Come on, Mouse, time to sleep. Good morning. My cape, my hat, my sword, my sheriff badge, and my... where are my boots? My boots! You won't catch me!
But you can't get me! Oof, I'm tired. Smells like delicious cheese. Oh, this nice smell comes from Storyland. Babies! Once upon a time, there was a sheriff in town whose boots jumped and walked all around.
Look! Huh? What is that? Those boots are alive.
I'll take a picture so we can see them better. Impossible. They're too fast. Huh? I'm sorry, but I don't understand.
He says this is a disaster. I'm Martin the sheriff, and I don't know what's wrong with my boots. Could it be a spell?
If it's a spell, I cannot tell.
But I know nothing about spells, and without my boots, I can't work. You must help me, please. Of course.
Come on, let's get them.
Careful, they can come out of anywhere.
Hey,
There they are, that way. We've got them. Huh? Ha! Wow! No! Now they're going separate ways. We'll never catch them. Nothing of that. Let's form two teams. You'll see. Dottie, Connie, Lady, and Jenna go for the right one. And the rest with me for the left one. Come on.
yeah! Don't let it escape.
Babies, can you see anything? Nothing here.
Here neither.
No luck. Go get the boot! Oh, we got tangled.
Run, Lady! Lady, run, but not so fast. Help me!
Help! And my cheese? But what happened?
Here, you got the answer.
Oh, how cute. The two little mice. But how did they end up inside? The key is in my favorite food. Maybe some cheese fell inside the boots and the mice got inside of them.
No wonder. That cheese is delicious.
I see. Sometimes things are not what they seem to be. And every mystery has an explanation. Together, you have helped me to get my boots back.
Yeah!
Thank you, babies. Without you, I couldn't have made it.
Storyland Magic Tears!
And that's how the tale of Martin and Boots ends. Together, they solved the mystery and made new friends.
What happened, lady? Are you okay? You know what I miss? That incredible cheese!
Cry babies, magic tears. The world of friendship and magic adventures. Cry babies.
Storyland! Pinocchio, what a nose!
It's impossible to fall asleep with that cricket. Someone should tell him something. Mr. Cricket, I need my rest. I'm a growing baby, you know.
Hi, Connie!
What's wrong? You can't sleep either?
I've got that cree-cree sound stuck in my head! What's wrong with that cricket? Police should give him a ticket.
I think the noise is coming from there.
Something's going on in Storyland. I'm so sleepy. Once upon a time, there was a baby who lied all the time, like a puppet from a show. Hey, look! Over there!
Incredible!
We're leaving. Yeah, it's always the same. Hey, don't go, babies. I don't know where my puppet is. Yeah, of course. When I find it, I'll do the show for you. I promise.
How can it be? His nose grows like a tree.
Yeah, it's cool. It happens many times. Isn't it fun? Look, he just said he lost his puppet, but he's got it there. It's true! Let's see.
What's your name?
I'm Pinocchio.
Pinocchio, you've got the puppet behind you.
Oh, it was here. I didn't realize. I'm so messy. How strange. His nose is growing again. Now that you found your puppet, you can start the show, right? Yes! No, I can't because I got a cold. Yes, I got a super cold. This is very fishy. Looks like someone's lying.
Let me take your temperature.
Whoa!
You don't have a fever. Pinocchio doesn't have a cold. A lie, we've been told.
Why do you laugh so much?
Me? I never lie.
Hey, watch out! Your nose grows every time you lie.
No, it's not true. I haven't told a single lie in my entire life. I swear.
Wow, look how it grows.
Is it that big? I can't see it, but how cool. What do you think if we... Whoa!
Careful!
It is so big that things get stuck and tangled.
Yes, you look like a coat rack.
It is so long that you can tightrope walk on it. Hey, get off my nose. Some respect. Oh no! Crick, I'm so sorry. Crick, I didn't want to. Oh, I think I'm stuck.
What a nosy mess.
Crick, are you all right? He says my nose blocks the entrance. The light does not pass through, and it is dark.
Oh, poor thing. He's afraid.
Please, you have to help me save Crick.
Of course. On 1, 2,
and 3! Crick! Who's coming?
See what happens when you lie? Lies only bring trouble.
And a longer nose, then the fantasy falls.
Well, truth is that there was a good reason for so many lies. I was lying to compete in a high jump event and I needed a long pole.
Well, you have to be a bit crazy to try to jump using your nose, huh?
It's just that I've never won a first place award and I wanted to be the best at something. But what's the point of lying for that if you can be the best with your puppet and make your friends happy? You're right. I've hurt my friends because of my lies.
And you too.
The truth is that I can live without winning a contest, but not without my friends. Oh, my nose!
Look, he told the truth.
So you can put on the puppet show now. Yes, I can't wait to surprise my friends. Maybe I'll tell them the story of a baby whose nose never stopped growing. Thanks, babies.
Storyland Magic Tears!
And that's how Pinocchio's nose went back to normal. He put his lies to an end and won the award for the best friend.
Look, aliens! Hey, stop lying or your nose will grow like Pinocchio's. And here is where this great adventure ends.
Cry babies, magic tears. The world of friendship and magic adventures. Cry babies.
Storyland!
Peter and the Hidden Fireflies. We have to prepare our cry juice because today we're expecting guests. Come on, babies, you're doing a great job. It's a perfect day to visit Tutti Frutti Bay.
Ah, no way! That cloud is big and gray. Or wait, it looks like the shadow of a baby who wants to play.
Leave me alone. Hey!
Oh, that was easy. Storyland is calling. Something must be happening.
Let's get changed and go.
Once upon a time, there was a baby who would adventure in the moonlight and sleep at sunrise.
It's a new path. Whose could it be?
No. I already told you no.
Who could that angry baby be?
There's only one way to find out. I don't want to go out right now. If you want, you can go.
Who is he talking to?
He's Peter and I'm his shadow.
His shadow?
I'm tired right now. Let me sleep. Well, if you didn't go out to so many places at night, you wouldn't spend all day sleeping. I don't go out to that many places. I just go to thousands of places without me because I disappear at night.
Of course. If there's no light, there's no shadow.
What if we come up with a plan to have fun? I bet their fight would be over and done. I'm more into flying. Me too. Come on, I'll race you. But a little bit later because right now,
I'm tired.
See? It's clear that Peter goes out at night because he doesn't want to be with me. No, it's not that. What I do at night is... It doesn't matter. Never mind. I just need to sleep.
He didn't tell us what he does at night.
We must find out what he does at night if we want to prevent another fight.
Shh, be quiet. They'll hear us. Careful! You stepped on me.
Ow! Surprise!
Hooray! Go, Peter!
How cool! I love surprises. Did you come to help me?
Yeah. We weren't spying on you.
Wow!
It sparkles.
It's a playful little firefly, but it looks like it's about to cry. Yeah, she lost all her friends. We've been looking every night, but there are so many places to search that it's impossible. And every night she glows a little less.
We'll help you, but I don't understand why you didn't ask us for help sooner.
I don't know. I thought that I could handle it by myself. She's barely even glowing.
Oh no, her light is fading. What a cool flute.
The music makes her sparkle.
Don't stop playing. They'll sparkle and we'll be able to find them.
And there are more of us to search now.
Yeah!
Search and search for the light. These little bugs can hide away. Look everywhere, they're not easy to find. They are so cute, they just want to play. Their little lights playing, they fly up and down, and they glow in the darkness. They're really funny and they love this tune. They're coming out to dance with the moon, and they glow in the darkness. Together we will find them. Oh, I can't take it anymore.
We're going to find them. Hang in there. Over there! Hurry! Wow!
So ticklish.
What am I doing here? It's nighttime. I finally found them. That's what I was doing during the night, searching for them so they could be together. But why didn't you tell me? I could have helped you. I know Storyland much better than you do. You think so? On guard. I can tell you've been practicing. Come on, I hope you both win. Thank you. Next time I need some help, I'll ask. And next time I promise to listen to Peter. When we work as a team, we solve problems with ease. Thank you, babies. Storyland Magic Tears! And that's how Peter's problem was brought to light, and he and his shadow would never again fight. Where were you? You're a little late, huh? Come on, Shadow, I'll race you. Let me sleep a little more. Now I'm the one who needs to rest for a little.
Cry babies, magic tears. The world of friendship and magic adventures. Cry babies.
Storyland! Klaus, Santa's grandson. Ruthie is taking so long to make the gift list. Come on, Ruthie. Let me see. I don't want to miss anything. Are there any chocolate bottles? Yes, we got lots of them. Well, so one for me. At this pace, do you think there will be any gifts left for us? I don't think we'll make it on time. Take it easy, babies. It's Christmas time. Friendship gift is the most divine. Although a new crystal ball... What was that? I don't know. Let's find out. Yeah! It's the book! A cold wind is coming out from the book. Let's go to Storyland and have a look. Wow! Once upon a time, there was a joyful baby who lost his joy. What's going on here? It's a little foggy, isn't it? A little? It's very foggy. I can't see anything. But babies, there's no need to be afraid. Nothing happens. Come on. Even if we are scared, we need to carry on. Don't worry. He'll be back soon. Huh? Luckily, you are here. Who's that baby? And what's the matter? Don't you know him? He's Klaus. This is the first year that he's supposed to deliver the presents to all the babies. Everything's because of this fog. He came some days ago and lost his sleigh. But the worst came this morning. Ren, his loyal friend, has disappeared. And I still don't understand why he left. We're going to look for Ren down to the south. Could you go with Klaus and help him find his pet up north? To the north? Ouch! Yes, sure. No problem.
It all started a week ago. A great windstorm hit Storyland and took my sled away.
Ah, yes. We managed to divert it with Piggy, but the wind was too strong.
That's when the fog appeared. Ren and I were waiting for it to clear to recover the presents.
And everything just before Christmas?
I've been rehearsing the whole year to show my grandpa's laughter to all the babies. But without Ren, I can't laugh anymore. Oh no, where does it hurt? Do you want me to heal any wound?
No, Dottie. I think his pain lies here. Cutie, don't you see that Klaus is sad? Lulu, what are you doing? Come here.
Ho, 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 ho.
That laugh sounds familiar.
Ho, ho, ho. Ho. That's That's Ren. The sound comes from there. Quickly.
Ren, hold on. Don't worry, we will save you. We're going for you.
The presents! They're all falling. Oh, stop. I must grab them or the babies won't get anything for Christmas. No, they're falling. No. Ren!
Roo, we have to save the sleigh. Let the time stop. Let it go on. Yeah, the sleigh, great.
Ho, 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 ho.
Wait, that laugh, that slate. You're a Klaus, Santa's grandchild.
Yes, and don't forget Ren, my loyal friend.
Storyland Magic Tears!
And that's how the babies learned that despite the cold weather, what matters the most were not the presents, but being together.
Huh?
Wow!
Don't worry, Ren. We'll find a way to bring Christmas to all the babies in the world.
Yes! We've decided to get something of our own, so no baby in the world is left without a present tonight.
Wow!
All the presents to the sleigh! Merry Christmas, babies!
Merry Christmas.
Make sure that no one else forgets about Storyland and about reading its stories.
And through reading, they would always be together. And their memories and stories would live forever.
Merry Christmas!
Ho, ho, ho!